Mario, why are we outside again? It seems so windy. Oh, Luigi. Luigi, it's just a beautiful day. I mean, we should be outside really more. So it's really windy. Luigi, I'm resting, Mario. Getting a tan? Yeah. You're gonna tan, okay? I'm gonna be over here. Seriously, getting a tan? Yeah. Alright. Oh, I like weather. Yeah, well, I like tanning. The sun's not even out. Actually, the sun is out, actually. Well, at least I'm wearing the weather. Okay, Mario, or we don't care. I know you don't care. That's child area. What, Mario? Nothing, Luigi. What? Luigi, nothing. What? Luigi! What? Luigi! What is that area? Oh my god, Luigi. Look at those clouds moving. There's more clouds coming. Yeah, Mario, it's called Earth. There's always clouds. It's still so windy. Yeah, Mario, this is the aftermath of the storm from yesterday. Oh yeah, this is the aftermath. I didn't get that shoes on for this. I think more people are coming. Oh, there's still more people. So everyone's here? So, everyone go over there. Okay. I mean, the grass is wet. Ah. This guy's really strong, guys. Guys, very windy day. When do you say? I'm feeling wind. Of course you don't feel any wind. What do you mean? I mean, I'm moving pretty fast. Wait, you do have a point. It is windy, but... I hear it, but oh my god, that's a cloud. That seems like a really big cloud. Wow, it's very windy. Alright, go get that big cloud. That's a very big cloud. Wow, that's a cloud. That is the cloud right there. I mean, yeah, it is pretty huge, yeah. They'll be hearing some insanely big winds. I mean, look at that. There's clouds over it's everywhere. You see, there's cloud there. Wait, it's getting kind of windy. You can see my feet blowing. Whoa. It's huge. Wow. What is that? Dad, are we safe? I think maybe should watch. Wow! Guys, no way it's gonna be a match for me. Actually, you're here? Yeah, Mario. How come me and Luigi move? Yeah, whenever I'm gonna win, I shake around. Me too. Oh, well, I guess me being fat face off. See, because I have a lot of body fat. Since I have a lot of body fat, it's not even windy to me. I mean, it's windy, but like, I can barely even feel the wind because I'm not even shaking. Because I have so much body fat, I don't even feel the wind. To me, it's not windy because I'm really fat. I can barely move. So, me being fat really paid off, huh? Yeah, but I mean, I'm fat, but I still blow in the wind. Luigi definitely does. Heck, because I'm skinny. We do not like the same weight. Will you weigh 3 pounds more than me? See this extreme wind. See, guys, I'm not even blowing. Where's the pee-pee? Where's the wind, huh? So I've now been blowing me. So that's not good for me. No, not windy. See, I'm pretty good. Basta, being fat is not a good thing. Where is it? The sun? I mean, the sun's out, but it's covered by all those clouds. What's that noise? I feel like a cow up there. Because I can barely see. Oh my god, there's so much clouds. Go across, hopefully it's safe. I don't even know how I'm running. We'll see. Look how big that. That's a bird. There's all clouds that way. Yeah, there's all clouds. There's a big one right there. I see brown in the bottom. I mean, hopefully it's safe to go. Yeah, I see grand in the bottom, so I think it means a storm. It ain't that windy yet. Oh, 150 pounds. Guys, I don't know, but I think thinking a storm's coming because it looks gray. Is that thunder? I get that. Hey, the sun's sort of out. I'm gonna tan. Guys, did I not or not tell you? Being outside today is not safe. I thought I told you this before. Guys, are you guys stupid? Do you guys know because I'm pretty sure I told you guys to not come outside when it's so windy. Did you see that? What? What is it? It's a storm, Mario. Well, I mean, I don't know if it's actually a storm, but it looks like it because it's like dark. It's just very windy. So, Well, I'm going inside because that cloud, because all those clouds mean wind. And I don't want that. So bye. Oh, come on. Freaking. Guys, come on. This is so stupid. It's not going to even storm. I mean, God, why would it storm? I mean, just look at it. Oh, no. Whoa. Oh my God, it's strong. Is that storm? I can't tell. I think it is. God, why is the wind so insane? Guys, the cloud is getting bigger. It's getting closer. Yeah, guys, this is definitely a storm front. Let me go across the street. See how it's like dark? Maybe the storm's coming. Look at that. Looks so dark over there. Goomba! What? Jeez. Look at that, it looks so dark. Wait, what is this? Sword. Oh my God. Sandy when you put that big storm over there still. Go ahead. I think I can see if it come over here. Alright, I'm coming. Guys, there seems to be a big storm coming. Yeah, come on, why it's unsafe. All I'm doing is just trying to follow a storm. Can't even do that. Yeah, Goomba, it's so dangerous. It's not dangerous. You guys are stupid. I'm not listening to you guys. You don't do anything. You guys are so freaking stupid. Goomba, don't get mad. No, I'm not kidding. No, I'm not getting mad. You guys are so stupid. I'm not gonna go outside. You guys are so freaking stupid. I'll try to do from a freaking storm, and I guys still just ruin it. You guys are so freaking unbelievably stupid. I can't believe you guys. Calm down. The wind is getting angry the more you fight. Oh, I'm not scared of you, stupid dumb wind. Goomba, what? I wouldn't say that. Why would I say that? You're a stupid wind. You're so stupid. Ah! Say Goomba. The wind is still stupid. Goomba. Ah! Oh! Not in the road. Not in the streets. I can't die. Why would it throw me up there? I don't know, Goomba. You can see this for it. You're still stupid when Goomba. Can we use a cycle? God. Okay, we're gonna end the video here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.